You'll soon be hearing this buzzing throughout the Badger State. This spring, trillions of cicada broods will emerge from the ground, creating their well-known low-pitched buzz. An audiologist says cicadas are among the loudest insects in the world, making up noise up to 80 decibels. That's the same as a vacuum cleaner, and that's why it's important to be mindful of how much time you spend around cicadas.
Noise exposure is time-based. So essentially what we're looking at is exposure over long periods of time. So the lower levels, 80 to 85 decibels, you don't want to spend any longer than 8 hours in that without hearing protection.
One way to prepare is to download a sound meter so you can monitor the noise. You can also use foam earplugs to make the buzzing quieter. Experts say this year's brood is going to affect the Madison area the most.